waterline replacement project via waterline pool. We have a 3/4 inch copper waterline that goes from this leaky meter, as you can see is leaking, all the way into the house, into a utility room right next to the HVAC system. So with that being said, we need to excavate and do our very best to expose the water line on this side. Now this water line is going to be going directly underneath that sidewalk. We're going to do our very best and make every attempt possible to try to be able to force the water line into our excavation site in this area so we can do a proper water line pull. If we can do that, that will stop us from removing one section of sidewalk. If, however, we can't do it in a safe fashion for the project, then one section of sidewalk will have to be removed, and we'll have that as an add option if needed. Moving on to how to do this. We need to have two holes. One hole right here, the other hole inside the house where the water line goes up through the floor in the utility room by an HVAC. Now there's a very small space between the water line as it comes into the house right next to the HVAC, so we're going to probably have to bring a small hole into a bedroom, which is aligned with this window right here, and cut a little bit of the drywall in order to be able to make a hole about approximately 1.5 to 2 feet wide by 2 feet long by about 3 feet deep in order to expose the water line. Once we make that hole inside there, then we can do the full pull all the way up to this area. Or if the soil shear strength is too much, we may have to do a third hole, another small one, and find it as it exits the house. And that will have to have two pulls in order to replace the entire water line with very, very minimal excavation. Now we are going to be upgrading this water line from a 3/4 inch to a 1 inch K copper water, and connecting it to the valve or to the outside meter, and then brand new shutoff valve, PRV valve. We get it inspected, backfill and concreted inside, backfill tamp grade seed straw out here. That's what we got.